Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also feel free to leave a comment under this video. Today I will be showing you how I made this lemon pepper wings, and I believe it's a easy and simple recipe if you would like to recreate this. So let's start. I've got my ingredients here. I've got 2 kg of wings. I've got flour. I've got lemon pepper seasoning. I've got butter. I've got black pepper and salt, and also 1 lemon. So I will start by adding black pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt into the flour, and give it a mix. Yes, you want to mix the black pepper and the salt with the flour. Give it a mix, and yes, after mixing, you can go ahead and start dipping the chicken wings. Start dipping it in the flour mix. Yes, but make sure there's not much flour on the chicken. Yes, that's why you see me trying to shake off the flour before dropping it on the oven tray. Yes, you want to do that for all the chicken. After doing this, then we move on to the frying part. In this video, I'll be deep frying the wings, so you want to make sure your cooker is on high heat. So in this video, I fry this chicken for around, let's say, 7 to 10 minutes, or when you achieve your desired color, let's say like golden brown color, something like that. Yes, like as you can see in this video, as you can see the chicken, the color. So it's up to you, but around 7 minutes should be perfect. 7 to 10 minutes should be perfect for the frying, for the deep frying. You can use air fryer, you can use oven, but in this video I deep fried the chicken. So go ahead and melt your butter. Yes, you want to melt your butter at this stage, because this is the stage you add your lemon pepper seasoning into the melted butter. Yes, as you can see me, yes, I think I added like 3 teaspoons of lemon pepper seasoning, but it depends on the quantity of your wings, and so I added the lemon pepper seasoning into the melted butter and give it a mix. Yes, you want to mix that very well and let the flavor from the lemon pepper let it be infused in the butter, in the melted butter. Now it's time to add the sauce. Yes, the lemon pepper sauce. You add it to the fried chicken, as you can see me doing in this video. Yes, after adding the sauce to the chicken, make sure I give it a mix, and also I added lemon zest. Yes, just to give that lemon vibes. Yes, I added lemon zest, and as you can see, I'll be using parsley to garnish the chicken. That's it, ready to eat. Yes, I would like you to recreate this recipe. It's simple, it's it's pretty easy to do, and it's something that you will like. It's so like you will enjoy it, you will want more. Thank you. Bye.